We just toured the Mango Sunset B&B. Now we're going to walk up, check out a little bit of the coffee infrastructure. Here's one of the catchment tanks. And then this large structure has coffee processing on the top floor. Parking here. There is the main house and all the racks for all the coffee processing. They currently are in the process of moving, so all these boxes would be traveling, which gives you some shop area. And then they have bunks here, and this is for the coffee pickers that they have come and stay. There is a sink there, and we're gonna head upstairs, but I just wanted to take a quick moment and show us where the coffee pickers that come have this outdoor space for their cooking, refrigerator, so they can prepare their meals. And then more coffee processing equipment, another large water catchment for irrigation purposes. And as you can see, they have all the equipment here to take it from the field to the cup. Coffee drying, different stages. And that is part 2 of the tour.